guys, welcome back. This is Kitchen Hack 101 Part 1. So today I'm going to be showing you a little hack to make your life a little easier. So we have a blender here, the hand blender, and most of the time it does not come with that guard. So I'm going to show you a hack. We're going to take this paper plate, try to line it up with these holes here. You're going to try to line it up with the holes here as much as you can. And then we are going to just make little holes here. Make little holes there. And then we are going to, you want this down, so just going to stick that through. And stick this one through. There you go. So once you have it in like this, you're going to put your blender attachments into the blender. There we go. You're going to take your bowl, and there you have it. It shouldn't be spilling all over the place. Thanks for watching, and look out for part 2.